me what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
What's up guys, Assalamu alaikum, hope all are absolutely fine. Today I am going to talk about the popular bikes of Yamaha and Honda brands to come in Bangladesh if the CC limit increased to 350cc. So not making the video longer, let's start the discussion with Yamaha. First of all, I will start with FZS 25. It has BS6 compliant 249cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with fuel injection technology, and its maximum power is 20.8 PS with 8000 rpm, and maximum torque is 20.1 Nm with 6000 rpm, and the top speed of this bike is 133 km/h. And we are expecting the price of this bike in our country is 4 lakh to 4.5 lakh. Second bike is Fazer 25, which has 249cc single-cylinder 4-stroke 2-valve SOHC engine, and its maximum power is 20.9 PS with 8000 rpm, and maximum torque is 20 Nm with 6000 rpm, which is almost similar to the FZS 25. And the top speed of this bike is 143 km/h, and we are expecting the price of this bike 4 lakh in our country. And the bike number 3 is Yamaha R25, which has 249cc twin-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC technology, which produce maximum power of 35.5 bhp with 12,000 rpm, and maximum torque is 22.6 Nm with 10,000 rpm. And the top speed of this bike is 190 km/h, and the curb weight of this bike 166 kg, and we are expecting the price of this bike is near about 8 lakh in our country. Now the number 4 is Yamaha R3, which has 321cc liquid cooled engine, 4-stroke DOHC inline twin cylinder 4 valves per cylinder, and it's producing maximum power 42 HP with 10,750 rpm, and maximum torque is 28.8 Nm with 9000 rpm, which makes it a very powerful engine. And the top speed of this bike 199 km/h, and curb weight is 170 kg, and we are expecting the price of this bike near about 8 lakh in our country. There is another bike that Yamaha recently launched of their popular MT series as Yamaha MT-03. Not sure about that it will come or not, because it has not launched yet in India. So guys, these are the popular bikes of Yamaha to come in our country if the CC limit increased to 350cc. Now coming to Honda, I'll start with Honda Hornet version 2. It has 184.4cc BS6 compliant air-cooled single-cylinder fuel-injected 4-stroke engine, and the power of this bike is 17.03 horsepower with 8500 rpm, and maximum torque is 16 Nm with 6000 rpm. And the top speed of this bike 130 km/h, and the weight is 142 kg, and we are expecting the price of this bike is 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh in our country. Now the second bike of Honda is Honda Revel 300. It has 286cc liquid cooled 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC single cylinder engine, and its power is 30 HP with 8000 rpm, and maximum torque is 27.4 Nm with 6500 rpm, and the weight of this bike is 191 kg, and the top speed of this bike is 160 km/h, and we are expecting the price of this bike near about 6 lakh in our country. Now Honda's bike number 3 is CB Highness 350, which has BS6 compliant 348.36cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. Its maximum power is 21.07 PS with 5500 RPM, and maximum torque is 30 Nm with 3000 RPM. And the weight of this bike is 181 kg, and the top speed of this bike is 135 km per hour. And the expected price of this bike is near about 6.5 lakh in our country. And bike number 4 is Honda CB300R, which has 286cc liquid cooled 4-stroke 4-valve DOHC single cylinder engine, which has maximum power 30 HP with 8000 RPM, and maximum torque is 27.4 Nm with 6500 RPM. And the weight of this bike is 147 kg, and top speed of this bike is 160 km per hour. And we are expecting the price of this bike 7 lakh in our country. Now the most exciting and gorgeous bike of the year is Honda CBR 250RR. It has 249.7cc liquid cooled 4-stroke 8-valve DOHC parallel twin-cylinder engine, which produce 40.2 HP with 13,000 RPM, and maximum torque is 25 Nm with 11,000 RPM. And the weight of this bike is 160 kg, and the top speed is 182 km per hour. If this bike comes to our country, the price will be near about 9 to 10 lakh. So guys, these are the bikes of Yamaha and Honda below 350cc. So if our cc limit increase, this bike might become in our country. So guys, if you like the video, please hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel, because your subscription is my inspiration. In the next time I will discuss with you guys about Suzuki and Kawasaki. So till then, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.